G'day guys, Greg here. Now you might remember I went to Grill to try their Ash Barty burger. Now this burger had some Vegemite mayo on there and well it had a few other ingredients and I gotta tell you, it tasted really good. So today I'm going to make a homemade version of that burger and well it's pretty easy to throw together and the ingredients are pretty nice and fresh and healthy. Let me show you what I'm using today. So for this all I'm using is, well, you'll need a sesame seed bun, some beef and bacon. I've got some tomato relish here, an avocado, some mayonnaise, some Vegemite, lettuce, tomato, onion and cheese. And that's it. Except maybe if you want to butter your buns. Oh yeah, you'll need some of this. And buttering my buns is exactly what I'm going to do right now. Because I want to toast them. Get them nice and toasted. Now I have been heating up the frying pan. I wonder if it's hot. Oh! Yes, it is. So I'll just quickly give these buns a bit of a toast. So they're a little bit crispy. Alright, let's see how these are going. Oh yeah, you know what? Oh! That's good enough for me. So now it's time to start cooking the meat. So I'll chuck that on. And I'll start cooking the bacon too. Now, I've got this beautiful meat press here. Thanks to Gibbo, he gave this to me. So I'll just push that out to a good burger shape. It's not a smash burger this, but I'll use the smash burger smasher and it's actually really quite effective to use. Now I'll add some salt, otherwise known as pepper, and some salt. This is salt. And we'll let that cook away. And while that's cooking away, we can make our Vegemite mayo. Now this burger had quite a bit of mayo on it, so I want to add quite a bit of mayo in there. And I'll use about half a teaspoon of Vegemite there. And we'll mix that together. And that's looking the exact same colour as the Vegemite mayo I got on that burger. Now I might as well just start preparing the other buns here. This is the bottom bun. So on the bottom bun you want to put some tomato relish. I'll put a bit more because it looks so good. Then you want the lettuce, tomato, and onion. Now let's check on these meats. Ooh boy! Better turn that down a bit. Oh, that bacon's burning nicely. Oh, yes! That is looking beautiful. Let me just push it out a bit more. Yummy! I might just pile up the bacon a little bit so it slows its cooking down. And I'll add a piece of cheese on there, start that melting. And then on the top bun I want to get some avocados, so cut one of those in half. Ooh, a pretty nice one. Awesome. And I'll just spread some avo on here. Alright, well, it's time to start throwing this burger together. So, put the meat and cheese here on the tomato. The bacon on top. And now we put our Vegemite mayo. And then your bun on top. And there you have it. The homemade grilled Ash Barty burger. Yummo! Well, I can't wait to try this. Wow. That tastes really good. That Vegemite mayo can be pretty strong though, so you might want to go a little bit easier on it than I did. But besides that, mate, the flavour of this is really good. And I reckon if you make one, you're gonna love it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this cooking video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time I cook something up. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the food is famous.